I was at church Sunday praying because all of a sudden all my ex-wives, they have started giving me hell. So I went there to get some peace and salvation. And I heard a commotion in the church, and at the front door I looked back there and there was Bart coming in the door. Bart, that guy lives in the Netherlands. So I kind of go out, can we go in the lobby of the church? And Bart was talking. He says he saw my videos that have the drill down, and he wonders what is with this drill down. So I said, all right, let me make a video, but can it wait? And he offered he would talk to my ex-wives if I go do this video on drill downs. I said, all right, he can take his chance with his mean. Whoa, they're mean. My understanding of drill down is when you need to get down to a value to then use it somewhere else. So here's the situation. We have a small pie company, and the woman that schedules the shifts in the kitchen and manages the deliveries, she just wants to know what is the equivalent of pies that we have. We sell slices, we sell whole pies. We can do a maximum of 30 pies per shift. And our delivery people, they can handle a maximum of 20 pies. Okay, so here are our orders. And we've got the maximum delivery and shifts. And this is telling us that we need 5 shifts and 7 deliveries. How did we get to that? We take the orders and we go into Power Query. This is our source data. I added a custom column because we need to convert everything into slices. So there's 8 slices per pie. So I'm trying to get a total number of slices. The quantity times the slices. Do some grouping, filtering, remove columns, more grouping. We get down here, add a custom column. This is where we take the total number of slices and divide by 8 so that we get pies. And then we have to round up because we're not going to make, say, 100 pies and 8 slices. No, we would make 101 whole pies. Okay. At this 140, that's where I do the drill down. Here, right click, drill down, okay, and that is this value, 140 equivalent pies. And this query is called pie EQ for pie equivalent. So this is the table that tells us our maximum capacity. I add a custom column. This is where we take the pie equivalent, divide that by the maximum to tell us, say, how many shifts we need. Then I remove the columns. And that's what tells us we have 5 shifts that we need and 7 deliveries. Close this. All right, so now I'm going to add some new orders. Now let's refresh. Okay, so this is saying we need 7 shifts and 10 deliveries. So I didn't go into all of the details about this model. You can download the workbook if you want, all right? But the main thing was to think about this drill down and when and why it's used. And in every situation where it's come up, it's been because we needed a value to use somewhere else. Hopefully that helps, and maybe some other people will have something to contribute about drill downs. And meanwhile, let's raise a toast to Bart as he talks to my ex-wives. Those they are mean, mean, mean. And I'll see you in the next video.